The stage was set in Navi Mumbai, where the 2025 ICC Women's Cricket World Cup reached its ultimate chapter, India vs South Africa, a clash that had the world's attention and made waves across Google searches, especially in nearby nations like Pakistan. The atmosphere inside the DY Patil Stadium was electric, filled with emotion, history, and dreams as both sides walked out knowing that a lifetime of hard work had led to this single day. India, led by the ever-resilient Harmanpreet Kaur, carried the hopes of over 1 billion fans eager to see their women's team lift the trophy on home soil for the first time. South Africa, under Laura Woolford's calm but determined leadership, were the dark horses of the tournament, a side that had fought through intense battles, heartbreaking moments, and long odds to make it to their maiden World Cup final. From the first ball, the pressure was immense. India's openers, Shafali Verma and Smriti Mandhana, gave the perfect start, combining aggression with control to put the South African bowlers on the back foot. Every stroke of Shafali's bat echoed through the stadium as she raced past her half-century, while Mandhana played the perfect anchor, turning the strike and finding the gaps. When Shafali finally departed after a sparkling 87, the crowd rose in thunderous applause, a performance that set the foundation for India's 298 for 7. Jemima Rodriguez and Richa Ghosh added crucial runs in the death overs, ensuring India ended with a total that looked formidable under the bright Mumbai lights. South Africa's chase began with nerves. India's bowlers, led by Renuka Singh and Deepti Sharma, struck early, removing key top-order batters before the power play ended. Laura Woolford tried to steady the innings, crafting boundaries and building partnerships, but India's fielding intensity was unrelenting. Every dot ball increased the pressure, every missed single echoed louder. As wickets fell at regular intervals, the required run rate climbed, and the dream began slipping from South Africa's grasp. Yet, even as defeat loomed, there was no lack of fight. Chloe Tryon's brief counterattack reminded everyone why the Proteas had made it this far. But India's discipline in bowling and smart field placements ensured no late surprises. When the final wicket fell, the stadium erupted, not just in celebration of victory, but an acknowledgement of the dawn of a new era in women's cricket. Harmanpreet Kaur lifted the trophy high, tears mixing with joy, surrounded by teammates who had redefined what women's sport could mean to an entire nation. Beyond the scoreboard, this match symbolized something far greater, the evolution of women's cricket as a spectacle of skill, passion, and power. India's win wasn't just about numbers, it was about visibility, representation, and inspiration for millions of young girls across South Asia dreaming of holding a bat or ball someday. For South Africa, the journey was equally inspiring. They broke barriers, silenced critics, and gave their nation a reason to believe. The 2025 final will be remembered as the turning point where women's cricket finally claimed its rightful stage, where rivalries transcended borders, and where the spirit of the game united fans across India, Pakistan, and beyond. In Pakistan too, people searched, watched, and discussed, because this wasn't just India's win, it was a win for every woman who loves the game. As the lights dimmed and fireworks painted the night sky, one truth became clear: women's cricket is no longer a side story. It is the story.